Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Hey, woulda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't.
What's up, Team Fullest? This is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, we are going to do a comparison between the Fenty Beauty bronzer and the Morphe bronzer. As you guys know, this bronzer has been my favorite. I do have other bronzers that I picked up. I do have the Makeup Revolution bronzer. I do have the Sleek bronzer, but this one is so far my favorite. If you have been watching my tutorials, this is what I use all the time, and I really love it. You know, I'm this kind of person, when I find something I really love, I stick to it, but I wanted to also look for something that I like so I can go in between the two products. So when I saw that the Fenty Beauty came out with their new bronzer, I decided to pick this one up. It is very beautiful. I really love it. And so a friend of mine, she went ahead and buy this bronzer because of me. So when I did a review on this one, she was like, please do a comparison. Maybe I'll pick this one up as well because I've seen a lot of great reviews. So I thought, you know what, yeah, I also wanted to do a comparison to see which one is which one. So guys, I've done with my makeup. I've done my foundation, concealer, highlight, everything, but I haven't contour yet and nothing. So now let's do the contour. Let's do swatches, even though my swatch game is not like really there, but let's do swatches and see how the product look like. You guys know my hand is a little bit lighter than my face, so yeah. But let's just do swatch and see how the product look. So first we're going to take the Fenty Beauty. Okay, my swatch is, I'm not really good at swatching, but okay, this is the Fenty Beauty. And now let's take the Morphe bronzer. Ooh. Bring a little bit here. It almost look the same. It almost look the same. I don't know, but it almost look the same. I feel like maybe the Morphe bronzer is slightly darker than the makeup than the Fenty, but it is the same. It looks the same. So you know what, let's wipe this up. I always have a bottle of makeup because I really do not like swatches, because not on my skin, because I believe the swatches are more on my face, because on my skin you can't really get the best result. But this is what it looks like in case you are ready for swatches. But yeah, it's not going out, but I just want to get it. I will wash my hand later. I just want to get it so I don't accidentally touch something and mess everything up. I think even though it's not 100% gone, I'll wash my hand later. So yeah, so now let's start. So I got two clean brushes, so let's get this. So first I'm going to start with the Morphe bronzer on the right and the Fenty Beauty on the left. So these are clean brushes. I have no product in it. So now let's start. I'm going to take my Morphe bronzer. Oh, this is the reason why I love this bronzer. It is so beautiful. You guys see? It is so warm. It's so beautiful. Reasons why I love it. If you're somebody who is like very simple makeup, you don't do a lot of contouring, you just do bronzing, I feel like these bronzers can be really nice. Can be really nice. I'm just gonna put half of the face. This one, take a little bit, just do the jawline a little, you know. I'm going out later, so I'm going out with two different type of makeup on my face. So this is what, I don't know, I'm filming. I have this daylight, but I don't know if you guys can see it very clearly, but this is the Morphe bronzer. I didn't put that too much, but it is pretty nice, you know. I really love it. So now let's take this clean brush. Let's do the Fenty. Okay, so I'm just going to take my brush. Same, I'm gonna start with little by little. Ooh, I feel like it almost looks the same. Let's just turn this to the light. It almost looks the same, and it is very beautiful. So as you guys can see, it looks the same. I feel like it looks the same. We're having sunlight, but I feel like the sunlight is messing up with my camera. So let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the Fenty Beauty or the Morphe bronzer? Which one do you guys prefer? For me, looking it at the mirror, they both look the same. I'm gonna add a little bit more just because I want a little bit more contour on that face. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Yes, and also a little bit more of the Morphe. For me, just looking at it, I feel like they both look the same. I feel like the Morphe bronzer is slightly warmer compared to the Fenty Beauty. If it's somebody who is my shade, it's, yeah, but I love both. Honestly speaking, I love both of them. Both of them look really nice. So let's do a quick reverse contour, like snatch their the jawline. You know, I'm going to be using the Essence setting powder. So this is the setting powder I'm going to use, and let's take my Real Technique sponge, turn it around just a little bit powder. So now let's just leave that set a little bit, and now it's time to do the lip. Okay, I'm going to be taking my Kiko lip liner. You guys know this is my favorite lip liner. It is really amazing. I'm going to take this Essence lip gloss, just add this one on top. So now let's wipe off this excess powder. So now it is time to highlight. I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty highlighter, Diamond Bomb. I really love this highlighter. It's very beautiful. It gives you this really natural finished look. That's the reason why I love it. I'm going to take a little bit, put it in the inner corner of my eyes, just a little bit. This highlighter just melt with your skin. It's just so beautiful. I really love it. Just gonna take a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and now I'm going to take my Kruidvat fan brush, and I'm just going to put it on top. Ooh. And I like to bring my highlighters like this. Do the same thing here. Take a little bit. Let's just bring it this way. Oh, this highlighter blends into the skin so beautifully. And now let's do the chin. So now that I've done the highlighters, we are going to set. I'm going to be using my Morphe setting spray. I'm almost out of this one, so let's just finish it, okay? So TeamFullest, this is the finished result. So this is the Fenty Beauty side. This is the Morphe. And let me know in the comment box which one do you prefer. Personally, I love both of them, even though I feel like the Morphe side is slightly warmer than the Fenty Beauty, but I love the Fenty Beauty bronzer. It's really natural, really beautiful. I love both of them actually. You guys know this is my favorite, and this is one of my favorite I have. And since I picked this up, I did a review these few days. I have been using this a lot, and I really love it. So yeah, let me know what do you guys think in the comment box. Which one do you prefer? More Fenty Beauty. I'm holding the highlighter. Sorry. Which one do you guys prefer? Is the fingerprint of the Fenty Beauty? Sometimes it just mess me up. Which one do you prefer? Fenty Beauty or the Morphe? Let me know in the comment box. For me personally, I love both of them, and I'm happy that I picked both of them. I'm actually trying to like build my makeup not build my makeup collection, because I already do have a lot of makeup. I'm trying to like build the ones that I know I really love and just stick with that. I'm not really trying to like buy different makeup anymore. But like when it comes to like eyeshadows, I'm not buying any eyeshadow because I do have a bunch of eyeshadows. Bronzer, I just needed something different because I do have the Tammy and the Tammy Makeup Revolution bronzer, but I don't use that a lot on myself. I mostly use it when I'm doing people's makeup, and I do have a bunch of highlighters. So for me right now, it's just okay. Even I promise not to buy any setting powder anymore for underneath the eyes, any baking powder, because I do have a lot of setting powders. So yeah, the only thing that I bought that was new, which I'll be back soon to give you guys a demo / review on, this is the Milk primer and the Milk setting spray. Yes, I laid my hand on this one, but you guys stay tuned. I'll definitely come with review with a makeup tutorial and a review on this look with this product, inclusive this product in that makeup tutorial. These are the only two new products that I picked up, and also with the Fenty Beauty product that I picked up this so far. But I feel like, yeah, if you just want to try something different, and I've had a lot of great reviews on this primer, reason why I pick it up. But let me know which one do you prefer. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Facebook at AmiFullest, Instagram at AmiFullest. If you guys want to stay connected on WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number is in the description box as well. Check it out. Let's stay connected. Heel erg bedankt voor jullie liefde en ondersteuning. Als je vragen hebt, laat me weten in de commentbox. Welke van die bronzer vind je leuk voor een donkere huid? Dit is de Fenty Beauty bronzer. Dit is de Morphe bronzer. Laat mij weten in de commentbox welke vind je leuk. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten. Heel erg bedankt voor jullie liefde en ondersteuning. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. TeamFullest. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.